Welcome to Holly Community Incorporated, and here we are looking at a piece of software that is for students and adults with learning disabilities. Oftentimes it's very difficult to read text. There's a lot of struggling going on. So here's the program we're going to look at, Kurzweil 3000. I already have it open, and what we're looking at is a page out of a textbook, and this is the story of Helen Keller in her words. I wanted you to see some of the items here. This is a little bit like a tape player because we have a read, a forward, a back. And yes, it is going to read this text to us. You take a scanner, you scan the document into it, it processes it, and then it will read it to you. So I have it set so we're going to be able to read it, but this is a little bit small. So I'm going to go up to this section right here, and I'm going to make it the text width, which is the top choice. Now it's large, so it's going to make it easier. And when we hit the read button up here, it is going to highlight the full sentence. It's going to highlight individually in a different color the word that it is reading aloud. And I can even tell what the speed is. Right now it's set at 130 words per minute. It's going to read sentence by sentence, continuous, and the voice that we're looking at is Paul. There's lots of other pieces of information in here. Let's listen to it.
Read the story of my life before answering numbers 1 through 8. The story of my life by Helen Keller. The most important day I remember in all my life is the one on which my teacher, Ann Mansfield Sullivan, came to me.
Now, if that's too fast for you, I can go up here very easily. We're going to slow it down considerably. And we're going to move the cursor so it's right in front of that sentence. The little flashing red line means that's where it's going to start.
I am filled with wonder when I consider the immeasurable contrasts between the two lives which it connects.
Now, it did mispronounce this, but while I'm reading along, I can follow with my eye and be able to completely understand what is being read in the text. This means that I can independently read my textbooks, I can read papers that come, I can read bank statements that would be arriving in the mail, and I can do it independently without relying on someone else to read things for me. It really makes life independent for students and for adults. So if you would like to come in and look at this document, this piece of software, and bring your own document, we can scan it with a scanner, bring it in, and you can see how simple this piece of software is to use. This particular document was scanned in black and white, but it can also do colored documents, and that makes a big difference in your life. So again, stop in and see us. Bye for now.